What if a part of your hard-earned money wasn't just saved, but instead became a three-layer shield protecting you from your three biggest future worries: old age, sudden financial needs, and family misfortune? This isn't a fantasy. It's the strong pillar of India's social security system known as the Employees Provident Fund and Miscellaneous Provisions Act 1952. Its purpose wasn't just to save money for retirement. It was to build a disciplined savings habit for every employee. This forward-thinking plan might feel like a compulsion today, but it becomes your strength tomorrow. But this act isn't just one single power. It's a combination of three schemes that every employee must understand. First is the Employee Provident Fund, or EPF. This is your main savings account. Your 12% contribution and a part of your employer's 12% contribution, that is 3.67%, grow together with compound interest, meaning your interest earns its own interest, making your savings grow much faster over time. This builds a large retirement fund, making you self-reliant. Second is the Employee Pension Scheme, or EPS. This is funded by the other part of your employer's contribution. While 3.67% went to your EPF, the remaining 8.33% of your employer's 12% share goes directly into this pension fund. This ensures that after the age of 58, you get a lifelong monthly pension in addition to your main EPF amount. This is the support that maintains your dignity in old age. And third, the Employee Deposit Linked Insurance Scheme, or EDLI. This is a valuable life insurance policy that costs you absolutely nothing. Your employer pays the entire premium for it. If an employee dies while in service, this scheme provides a strong financial cushion of up to rupees 7 lakhs to the family. This ensures they don't fall apart financially during such a difficult time. But this scheme hasn't stayed the same. It has evolved. The recent 2025 reforms, being called EPFO 3.0, make it even more relevant. These reforms have created a wonderful balance. On one hand, the complex rules for partial withdrawals, that is, taking out some money for needs like buying a house, children's education, or health issues, have been streamlined, making it easier than ever. On the other hand, a tough but necessary step has also been taken. For instance, the waiting period to withdraw your entire EPF savings after leaving a job has been increased from 2 months to 12 months. This strict step ensures that employees don't wipe out their main support for old age just to meet short-term needs. Therefore, stop thinking of the EPF scheme as a deduction from your salary. It is not a deduction. It is an investment in your future financial freedom and dignity. This scheme reminds us that true financial security isn't built in a day. It's built every single month with money that is saved in a disciplined way. Every payslip isn't just a record of your earnings. It's a receipt for another piece of your financial shield. It is your today's biggest assurance for your secure tomorrow.